Hello, my YouTube family. How are you all? Today we are going to make Independence Day hairband, hairpin, and bracelet and rings. So stay with me and let's watch this beautiful video. So I'm using a clay. This is air dry clay, and I'm using two colors, and this is green and white color. So this is the independence color, this is our flag color. So let's make it. This is my own idea. I used two colors for making my clay flowers. So this is my own idea. I wanted to make her hairband, and let's see how I made it. I hope you like it. And it's a very nice bracelet for the kids to wear it on 14 August Independence Day. So you can see the flag on the hairband and the beautiful flowers, which is mixed in two colors, green and white. And this is the hairpin, and let's make it. Take green and white clay. So it was little sticky because of the hot weather, but I managed to apply it. So you will take the clay and apply it all over the hairband, and so it will be covered with a green clay, and it will give a very nice smooth surface to apply the flowers. Okay, you need to wrap the clay, and you need to fill the hairband with the green clay, so that it will give a very smooth look. And if in case it's not giving a smooth look with clay, don't worry, we will apply flags and green and white flowers on it. So let's watch it. After filling the hairband, I will take two colors of the clay, and I will mix it, and I will give it a marble and two color mixed look. So mix it together, and you can see it will give a very nice flowery look in green and white. And this is your independence color, and just make it whatever is your flag color. Just make the flowers with the clay and decorate anything, your badge. You can make your badge, your hairband, your bracelet. You can make anything with the clay. This is very beautiful thing. You can see I'm making flower, and I'm making petals with the help of the clay, and I'm joining the petals together, and so it will give a flowery look to the hairband. So make the flowers like this. Make a petal of the mixed color, two mixed color, green and white. So you will attach all the green and white color flowers to your hairband, and this is a very fun craft for your girls, for your little girls. And you can change the style of your hairband. It's just my idea that I wanted green and white flowers. I wanted to give it an independence look. So you can change the color of your flowers. You can, whatever the color of your flag is, you can change the color, and you can make the cute hairband like this. So now I'm going to make a flag, and with green and white clay I will make a flag, and I will put the flag in the middle of the flowers on the hairband. So just make a flag like this. Take a green and white clay, join them together, and make a flag. So now I took the piece of the clay, white clay, and making a crescent and moon and a star and white star. And it's very easy for you to make a star like this. And let's paste it on the flag. So this is the same way I will make my clay rings, my flag rings. And if you keep watching the video, you will see how I made the rings and the hairpin for the Independence Day. You can see how it is looking after pasting the flag. It is looking even more beautiful and more creative hairband. And it is really giving an independence look because I used this two flag colors, green and white. You can see I'm pasting all the flags on the hairband, and now it's looking really cute and beautiful for your little girls. Okay, so now I'm going to make cute Independence Day rings, and I had these plastic rings, and I will apply flags on these cute pink rings. So you will see how it will give a very Independence Day cute look. So make a flag as I made before with the clay and paste it on the ring. And it's very simple and easy. You can make it at home. You can see I'm wearing it and it's looking very cute. So now I'm going to make Independence Day bracelet and take two clay balls and make strips with it, green and white strips, and then wrap them together, and it will make a very cute bracelet for your kids. And you can add anything on your bracelet, make a flower, make a flag, and paste it on your bracelet. And when this is air dry clay, when it will be dry, it will give a very foamy texture to your crafts, and it will not break easily. So make sure you buy air dry clay. So when it's dry, it will become a foamy texture material. So make sure you buy air dry clay. And now I'm gonna make a cute flower on my bracelet. So I'm making petals with green and white clay as I made before. So I'm making this cute flower and I'll paste it on my bracelet. And it's very cute for your kids to wear it for your Independence Day. You can change the color, whatever is your flag color, you can change the color. You can see I'm pasting it on the bracelet, and it is a very cute bracelet, and when it will be dry it will be very cute bracelet, foamy texture bracelet, and it will be hard enough so that your kids can easily wear it and they will not break it. So my bracelet is ready. Okay, so now I'm gonna make my last independence craft, which is a hairpin. So I will take green and white clay. Same way I'll make a crescent, a moon, and I'll add a star, and I'll take any hairpin and which is like easy to open. It is like a catcher. It is like you can say it's very easy. You can take any hairpin and you can paste it with the hot glue when the clay is dry, or you can paste it when the clay is wet as well. It's up to you. So my flag is ready and I will paste a hairpin like this, any hairpin which you are not using. Thank you for watching my video. Bye.